Work on having a probabilistic mindset. Stay tuned, we'll talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Bit of a sharky morning on the beach in Perth. A little overcast, really unusual weather for February in Perth. Normally it's 35 and fine. Today we're going to talk about having a probabilistic mindset with your trading. So if you've read Mark Douglas's book, The Disciplined Trader, one of the things that Mark Douglas talks about is that the trades, if you approach trading or your individual trades with a probabilistic mindset, understanding that anything is possible, any outcome is possible, you shift your focus from worrying about how much money you can make to being focused on risk management, because you realize that because anything can happen, when we tend to take a trade, we tend to think about how much money we're going to get or how much money we can make from the trade, and often those are the trades that backfire when we've over leveraged, averaged into losing positions, not how to stop, moved our stops. I'm guilty of all of that. And so when you shift your mindset from focusing on how much money you're going to make to the understanding that any outcome is possible, then you focus on managing your risk. And then the next component of that is that because you realize that anything is possible, you stop yourself from taking these small little profits. So, you know, if I went back and analyzed all of my old trades from years ago, I can guarantee that the amount that I was losing and risking on a trade was greater than the amount that I was taking off in profits. So if you're risking $1 or $1.30 for every trade and you're making 40 cents, well, obviously you're going to end up, the odds are stacked heavily against you that you're even never going to make money. But then also you're going to enter into, the emotional pitfalls of trading. You're going to get angry, frustrated. You're going to revenge trade. You're going to anger trade. All the things that, again, being emotionally disoriented will cause you to. That's what amateurs do. Professionals focus on risk management. Amateurs focus on the hype and the excitement of what they think they're going to make with the trade. So shift your mindset from being outcome oriented to risk management oriented, and focus on, because you understand that anything's possible, ride those winners, ride them. Take 3, 4, 5 times to 1 on your trades. Look for these asymmetrical opportunities that set up in the markets. I talk about Peter Brandt's work all the time, and Schaubacher's book. If you haven't gotten those books, get them, because there's so much information in there. Follow Peter on Twitter or go to his Factor website, and really start to step back and look at where you can skew the odds in your favor. As a retail trader, the shorter the time frame you're on, the odds are stacked against you so much that your skill level has to be so high, and your hit rate has to be so high with your spreads and the even the profitability on those trades that there's no surprise why 99% of traders fail. I don't care what people say. It's 99% of traders. It's 1% of traders that are really knocking it out of the park consistently, professionally, and successfully over the long term. So have a probabilistic mindset. Realize that anything is possible with your trades. Focus on risk management. Cut your losses short, ride your winners, and look for the asymmetrical risk reward opportunities. Quit wasting your time on these short, scalp trades, and really step back. Develop the skills of a professional. There's people out there who can do it on the short term, but really look to put the odds heavily in your favor. And when you do that and you have the probabilistic mindset, you're going to start to develop a lot more consistency in your trading, and you're going to see where the profitability and your trade expectancy improve as well. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Have a probabilistic mindset. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.